How to fix Snapchat could not connect on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat could not connect on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again and here type Snapchat, click on it and now go to permissions and allow all of those permissions here, and after that just click storage and then click clear cache, and now just go to data usage and check this one, mobile data, maybe you'll find it like that, and allow it and then allow all of those, and after that just go back here, go back and restart your phone and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.